ఆర్మీ ఆఫీసర్ అంటున్నారు, కంప్లీట్ ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ ఫ్యామిలీ.
అవును.
సో మిమ్మల్ని ఎలా ఒప్పుకున్నారు ఇండస్ట్రీ సైడ్?
యాక్చువల్లీ ఒప్పుకోలేదు.
ఓకే.
బిగినింగ్ అయితే ఒప్పుకోలేదు. అందరూ చెప్తుంటారు ఫ్లూక్గా వచ్చామని చెప్తుంటారు. నా కేసు కూడా కొంచెం అలాగే అయింది. స్టార్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ హ్యాస్ లిటిల్ బిట్ ఆఫ్ పాకెట్ మనీ
ఓకే
టు బై మై ఫస్ట్ కైనెటిక్ హోండా. అప్పుడు చాలా క్రేజ్ అనమాట కైనెటిక్ హోండా అని. సో చిన్న చిన్న పాకెట్ మనీతో కైనెటిక్ హోండా కొనాలని ఆ క్రేజ్తో స్టార్ట్ అయింది. అండ్ ఇట్ సమ్హౌ గాట్ ఇన్ టు దిస్. నేను కూడా ఐ ఫినిష్ మై గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ ఇన్ ఫ్యాషన్ డిజైనింగ్ చేశాను. మళ్ళీ మదర్ వాజ్ అ టీచర్.
Okay.
And my father was a veterinary doctor, and my family, the whole family is into sciences. Ante uncle, ma chinnana ante pharmaceutical company, malli my cousins and my auntie vallandaru doctors. So my whole family is into are doctors basically.
Okay.
So, and gynecologists. They're all specialized in gynecology and sciences and medicines and all. I am the only person who has got little different than the normal careers what my family chose.
Okay.
So yeah, beginning lo aithe parents are like enduku veltunnavu avasarama. Of course dad was very supportive. But amma వాళ్ళకి భయం ఉంటుంది కదా, దీంట్లో వెళ్ళిపోతే ఏమవుతుంది ఏంటి అంత ఎవరికి ఏం తెలియదు దీని గురించి. So yeah, so she was little scared. But it had to be a destiny, you know. I think destiny, if it plans that ఇలా ఉండాలంటే ఇలాగే ఉండాలి. that is what I think.
ఓకే, వచ్చారు. బట్ రావటమే హైదరాబాద్ బ్లూస్లో ఒక బోల్డ్ క్యారెక్టర్ అని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు దాన్ని.
అవును, it was quite a bold character. Actually I started off with జెమినీలో ఒక చిల్డ్రన్స్ క్విజ్ స్టార్ట్ చేశాను నేను.
యాంకరింగ్ కూడా చేశారు కదా?
కొంచెం యాంకరింగ్ చేశాను. అండ్ I did some modeling అని చేసిన తర్వాత when I was in NIFT, that's the time Hyderabad Blues ki offer ochindi. Nagesh Kukkunu, the director, he offered me the character. And but in time lo he said it's an English film and we're doing it. So initially nenu anukunnanu documentary enti anukunna, but anyways it was an English film. We did it in 96 actually chesam, but the movie released only by 98.
Okay.
So after my NIFT ayin tarvata it was released in theaters, and it was a big success because both in India as well as abroad, US markets and all that, it won a lot of awards during those period.
Okay.
And it was a path breaker during that time because nobody had seen a movie like that. So చాలా different గా ఉండింది. And in fact I was in my college days, so నాకే షూట్ చేసిన టైంలో I never felt like we did something different గా ఎప్పుడు అనుకోలేదు నేను.
Okay.
It was more like a part of a family. అందరూ అక్కడ కలిసి Nagesh, we shot it at his house, and వాళ్ళ చుట్టుపక్కల ఇంట్లోనే షూట్ అని చేసేసి, సో ఎవ్రీబడి లైక్ ఆంటీ అంకుల్ అందరూ అక్కడే ఉన్నారు. సో ఇట్ వాస్ మోర్ ఆఫ్ అ ఫ్యామిలీ విచ్ ఐ నెవర్ ఫెల్ట్ వి వర్ షూటింగ్ ఫర్ అ ఫిల్మ్ యాక్చువల్లీ స్పీకింగ్.
హైదరాబాద్ బ్లూస్ అనే ఫిల్మ్ గ్లోబల్లీ చాలా హిట్ అయిపోయింది. ఆ తర్వాత ఆఫర్స్ ఎక్కువ మీకు తెలుగులో రాలేదా?
కాదు ప్రశ్న. ఆ టైంలో ఆఫ్టర్ హైదరాబాద్ బ్లూస్ ఐ గాట్ ఆఫర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ హిందీ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్.
ఓకే.
బట్ ఐ రిమెంబర్ గెటింగ్ మామీ ఫెస్టివల్లో వెళ్ళిన టైంలో ఐ గాట్ ఆఫర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ శ్యామ్ బెనగల్ సార్ and a couple of offers there itself. But I was a student and told no, and in NIFT lo unna na time lo, and
okay.
I had got a good break in France. I was about to work for a big company there, and everything was set for me to go there. So ఆ టైంలో నేను ఏం తీసుకోలేదు. And I got some offers from here Telugu also, but ఆ టైంలో when I used to go to the offices and all, it was very very different, you know. So my mother would never accompany me. My mother ఎప్పుడు నాతో వచ్చి కూర్చొని మాట్లాడి అలా ఏం లేదు. I would handle all by myself, and it was very different those days. అప్పుడు when I get into this place and I would not feel very comfortable, I got a few calls at time from production houses which I don't want to name now.
Okay.
So వెళ్ళిన టైంలో I was not too comfortable. Then I said no sir, I don't think we can work, and I would just come back.
Okay.
And ఇంట్లో కూడా my parents are not too support. నేను చెప్పాను కదా, because everybody is into the sciences and all that. So they said if you are able to handle by yourself, ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఆఫీస్ వెళ్ళిన టైం నువ్వు హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తావు కదా, you go alone, you work and come. Your mother is not going to come and accompany you. So నువ్వు ఒంటరిగా వెళ్ళి నువ్వు వర్క్ చేసి వస్తే well and good. లేకపోతే don't go ahead with it. You studied, you finish your graduation, go take up a job and do it.
Okay.
But there's a saying, you know, once the makeup is on, no, ఎప్పుడు you want to get into the same field and you want to do the same thing. So it always attracted me again back over here. So I did a couple of films. కొన్ని films చేశాను, మలయాళం చేశాను నేను. I did about 3 films during that period.
మేఘ సందేశంలో
Megha Sandesham.
గోస్ట్ గా చేశారు కదా.
Yeah, as a ghost. That's my first film. I worked as a ghost. So right from the action sequence, everything నేనే చేశాను, which was something very different for them. For the heroine doing action scenes and all that. అది చేశాను. మళ్ళీ రావణ ప్రభు with Mohanlal sir. My next film was Mr. Brahmachari, again with Mohanlal sir. Telugulo I did 2 films. One was Kranti Kumar sir's 9 నెలలు చేశాను, తో సౌందర్య మ్యామ్ అండ్ విక్రమ్తో. And I did another film called Holy.
ఓకే.
దాంట్లో Uday Kiran and Richa, they were the heroines. So I did that film and I got back to television. I was comfortable doing television and serials because andru family laga ayipotaru. You continue that, every month you keep seeing the same faces, so everybody becomes a family. So I was comfortable with it.
ఓకే.
And during those days the payment was very big for me, in television. So it continued that way and finally I got married. Ikkadi nunchi malli US vellipoyanu, so got a break there.
మోహన్ లాల్ గారితో వర్క్ చేసినప్పుడు అప్పటికే ఆయన పెద్ద స్టార్ అండి.
Yeah, he was a big star.
ఓకే.
I mean,
ఎలా ఉండింది ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఆయనతో?
Yeah, well, growing up we have seen Mohanlal sir and all that growing up. He is one of the most natural and I'm definitely one of those very brilliant actors. You can never make out he's acting chala natural ga, chala diga. My first film with him I was very scared, Ravana Prabhu.
Okay.
Because it was Revati ma'am unnaru dantlo, and it was a big production house during that time. It was his own, and working with him. So I nala chuste kuda I would get scared, like I would just start shivering. Why is sir looking at me? So andaru ayna laletna ani pilustaru. So laletna enduku ila chustunaru, what happened? I did something wrong ga chesana enti ani. But Revati Chechi was very sweet. She was like such a darling. She would make you feel comfortable and talk to you and make you feel this thing. I think one of those very few shooting where my mother accompanied me. My mother nathone undindi during that period of shoot and all that.
Okay.
It's so much to learn from him, in fact. But that time also I feel I was too young to know about all that. My third film, after my second innings when I came, I did a movie called Grandmaster. Daanlo oka negative lead ga chesanu.
Okay.
Our time lo I started knowing more about acting, and see then when you come you're very fresh, you don't know what you're doing. ఏం చెప్పినా ఓకే సరే ఇదే కదా చేసేద్దాం, ఒక ప్యాటర్న్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ when I came back now, I started appreciating him as an actor because right from his whole body, his hands, avanni act outai. When he's doing a character, everything you can make out, the way his hand movement goes or what he is doing. Last minute varaku he will be making fun with you, joke chestuntaru, but as soon the action starts, he totally changes.
Okay.
And he becomes in the character, which is like very difficult for us, I mean, for me at least it's very difficult. At least I need to carry on that character for some time. Sudden ga joke chestu sudden ga నేను నెగటివ్ అవ్వలేను. But he is like last minute వరకు joke చేస్తూ suddenly as soon action starts he's like very serious and very serious policeman. ఇలా కావాలి ఇది కావాలి అలా మాట్లాడుతుంటారు. So lot to learn from him, నిజం చెప్తే.
అలానే 9 నెలల్లో సౌందర్య గారితో కూడా వర్క్ చేశారు. మంచి మూమెంట్స్ ఏవైనా ఉన్నాయండి?
Saundarya ma'am was like a very senior actor. I remember she would come with her brother and she would come and sit very far and she would just say hello, how. She was very sweet. She had the most beautiful and angelic smile ankuntunna. And she would sit and we were like all new, right? So she would come, she would say hi, hello, and she'll come and sit over there, talk. She would be more with her brother during those days. Okay. I think Vikram Garu, he used to be very naughty during those days. So he used to be like a good company, talk a lot, and make everybody feel comfortable. I played a doctor in that, who tells them to go for this artificial insemination and adani. So it was very different. So don't have too many this thing. I don't remember how many days of work also I had, but I was too young, Prasanna, for doing those days.
Okay.